guys, welcome back to Angie in Wonderland. And recently I stopped off at Bath & Body Works really quick to run in there to get some more wallflowers that I use to plug in throughout my house. Those last probably a good 30 to 40 days. I kind of push mine out as long as I can, and then when I see that it's kind of at the bottom and it's no longer giving off a fragrance or a scent, then I always try to switch those out. But 30 to 40 days is usually pretty good for me, so I ran in and got a couple of those things. While I was there, I picked up a few more items, of course, because you can't go into Bath & Body Works and not pick up something extra. So, and then I had coupons, and they were having a nice little sale. So I picked up a few things, so I'm going to go ahead and share that with you guys right now. Alrighty, so I keep those little plug things in my car as well to make my car smell nice. So I picked up 4 of these. I got the scent in Ocean, Tiki Beach, Ocean, and Passion Fruit, Aloha Kiwi. These are really nice because they do let off a really nice scent in your car, and sometimes my husband's like, wow, that is so strong. So if he says that they're strong, then they're pretty strong. I love them. They're not like overpowering for me, and I just love it when I get in my car or if somebody gets in my car with me, then my car smells so nice. I love that. So I got 4 of those, and then let me go get to these ones next. This is a new, I think, I'm not really sure. This is their Bath & Body Works Water Aqua Burst Body Wash. This smells so good. I was very happy to like run upon this because I was about out of shower gel. Well, I'm not out of shower gel, but I'm almost out of the one that I've been using. So I picked this one up. I'm going to give it a try. It smells so good. I love it. I think this is part of their new collection, so I wanted to kind of give it a try. And then I picked up a new candle. You guys know how much I love burning candles throughout my house. So I picked up my favorite, which is the Bergamot Waters. Absolutely love it. Always love burning bergamot waters. It's a sparkling bergamot, pristine blue waters, sugared citrus, and creamy sandalwood. You guys, I think I've said this before when I do these Bath & Body Works hauls. This is like my favorite scent from Bath & Body Works. Absolutely love it. This is like my go-to scent. Now, don't get me wrong, I do like a lot of other scents there, but this is like my go-to. This is like my favorite scent. If I can't find something else and I'm like, oh, well, I know I like bergamot water, so I'll just get that. And I love it. So I'm going to be burning this one very soon. I usually try to burn this like right in the front entrance of my foyer area and right when people walk in, because this is the first thing that they will smell, and I love that. Alrighty, now I picked up several of my little wallflowers. And I did not find the Bergamot Waters one, because if I did, I would have got those ones. Couldn't find those ones. I think they may have been out. But I did pick up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the same ones, which is the turquoise waters. These ones I've had before, and they smell absolutely lovely. So I picked up 5 of these. So I absolutely love these. I put them throughout my house. I have one in my room. I have one in the living room, the foyer, the kitchen. I have them everywhere. It just makes my house smell so nice, and I love that because it's so inviting, and I love that. So that's it for my small little Bath & Body Works haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time on Angie Wonderland. Bye!